Hello, ladybugs and love bugs. Thank you once again for joining me in another video. I hope that you guys are having an amazing day. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Stacy, and I like to decorate, do room makeovers, home decor, and things like that. So if you like the contents of those videos, please hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it, so every time I upload a video, you will be notified. And for my love bugs and my ladybugs, thank you so much for coming back once again. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I will be decorating my living room for Christmas. So I am here trying to figure out the things that I need or that I already have. I don't know, guys. Ever since starting this new job, I have been so tired. I had no energy for anything. I really wanted a red and white Christmas tree this year, but instead, I just used the decor that I had from last year. I might add one or two new things in, but for now, this is what I'm doing. I am just using what I already have. So yeah, I cannot wait for these holidays to be over with. They're so much fun though. I mean, I love watching the grandkids open gifts and be excited. I have all these gifts stacked up in my boom boom room, which is the garage, and the kids accidentally seen the stuff stacked up, I mean, to the ceiling. I might put a picture of it up here to show you, and oh boy, their eyes lit up, and I'm like, that's not yours. They know better. Even as young as they are, they know it's theirs, and they cry to get in there. They want to see, so I can't wait until Christmas to see the smiles on their little faces. But yeah, so right here, I am making these little bows. You fold them back and forth to make it look like a bow, and put in inside the Christmas tree. I've seen several YouTubers do this, and it's much easier to do it this way than to try to stuff it inside the tree as one and then cut it. I don't know. This way is so much better. But yeah, so let's finish this decorating, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, ladybugs, here I'm just trying to glue back my reindeer's antlers. The grandkids was here, and I mean, I don't know how, but they tore the antlers off of two of them. I have three. I was able to glue one of them back, but this one right here, I don't know, it just wouldn't glue back. And I was using a 6,000 glue, but I can't find my hot glue gun. So I guess he'll be fine. I've seen reindeers with one antler for whatever reason. So yeah, this is just what it is. I love these reindeers. They are beautiful. And this is just what it is. So they still cute and I like them. So that's it. Okay, here I am cleaning off my mantle so that I can decorate the mantle. I can't wait to get Santa up here. He is so cute. Those of you who have not seen my haul, you can go over there and check out my video from my at-home haul. But yeah, I cannot wait. So y'all, let's get started. Boxes underneath that evergreen. Wrap yourself with balls and ribbons. That's the best gift for me. Every year on this day, I feel so alone. This time I'm with you, babe. I don't mind the cold. You don't have to bring me flowers. I don't want no shiny jewels. Only one thing on my wish list, and baby, it is you. Guys are wondering what this is, I'm spraying. It is the snow in the can. So I'm just lightly coating the garland to make it look like, you know, it snowed on there. I purchased it from Walmart for anybody who would like to, you know, make it look like it snowed in their home on their decorations, their Christmas decorations. This here is some, it's like cotton, but it's not cotton. And that's just to make it look like wintry, wistical look. As, like I said, as if it snowed in my home. So I'm placing this down before I put the decorations. I know the kids are going to love this. I don't know if it's going to last until Christmas, but when they come over, I am sure they're going to touch and feel and want to know what it is. So good luck with that. But that's what I'm doing here.
Christmas is you, the lonely time. You don't have to bring me flowers. I don't want no shiny jewels. Only one thing on the wish list, and baby, it is you. Every year this day, I feel so alone. This time I've got you, baby, and I don't mind the cold. I don't want a little puppy. I don't need no fancy car. Promise me one small thing, you will be my Christmas star. Yeah.
Look at the little snowman. I got these from the Dollar Tree. The snowman I got out of the $5 section, but I think he was $3. I'm not sure. And the gnomes, they were $1.25. This Christmas tree is so cute, y'all. It lights up, and I decided I was putting it down here, but I decided maybe I'll put it in the kitchen. I'm not sure, but I decided not to put it down because it just wasn't sitting right, and I had a cute little bench with the lamp post. So I'll probably do something in the kitchen with this, but it's so cute. I love it. It lights up, but it just didn't work out down here, so I didn't put it down here. You'll see that I just took it up. But yeah, this is Dollar Tree products. They have some cute Christmas decor. So yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me in this Christmas decorating video. You guys are awesome. Without you, I don't know if this would be possible for me to be motivated to bring you good content. For the people who are new, thank you for stopping by. And if you like these contents, please subscribe and hit the bell next to it, so every time I upload a video, you will be notified. And to my love bugs and my ladybugs, thank you so much for rocking with me. We are almost at our 500 goal of subscribers, and I thank you so much for all your support. So continue to hit that like button in the comments and share so that we can continue to grow. But yeah, this is the end result of the Christmas decorating. I love the way it turned out. I hope that I was able to motivate some of you guys to get up and decorate for Christmas, because I sure needed some motivation. And yeah, this is what it's looking like. So everybody, enjoy your holidays. And I hope that you get everything you asked for from Santa. Look at Santa. He just hanging out on the fireplace. I love it. All right, guys. So I will see you guys in the next video. And thank you again for all your support. Love you guys. Bye.